Absolutely magnificent this morning. So this another new type of mushroom. Apparently this is a shaggy mane. And there's some more yellow coral mushrooms. This is apparently Dyer's polypore. Yeah, interesting texture. I'm thinking it's near the end of its existence, and this is what it turns into. So this is Cascade's frog. Pretty big guy. He's about 3 inches long. So this is a banana slug. I'm used to them being bright yellow, but I guess this type is green. Made it to another beautiful waterfall. Looks like we have a bridge to a little bit across it. I mean, it's just pretty spectacular. So this is Stafford Falls. All right, got a couple more mushrooms for you. That's a short-stemmed Razula. But then here we have several lobster mushrooms. These are apparently edible and like highly sought after. Supposed to be delicious. But yeah, again, I don't know if they need to be prepared in a certain way, and I have no way of preparing them. So I'm just going to leave them be. Man, really cool find. Another chicken of the woods. These guys are very fresh. Man, pretty amazing. Just give you guys an idea of the size.